Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to transcribe voice recordings on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Voice Recorder. After click on Voice Recorder, click on Recording and click on this three dot icon and click on second option Transcribe into text and click on Transcribe into English and you will see. So if you want to transcribe voice recording on English and you will see transcribe from here. This is the basic part of a recording. So thanks for cooperation. You will see. After the process, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can transcribe voice recording on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.